Hey, Mr. Will here for April 24th, 2020 for the group Denominators. Happy Friday. You made it through another week of online instruction. Just a reminder before we get into it, number one, if you have not checked into office hours, please do so. Requirement is once a week. Always can check in more. It's nice to see you. Two, your IXL lessons are due at the end of the day today. And three, your problem of the week is also due at the end of the day today. Please make sure that you were taking care of all of your assignments and problems and projects. But remember, I'm here to help you if you have any questions. So yesterday, I introduced the idea of a scatter plot to you. We talked about the different types of correlation: positive correlation, negative correlation, and no correlation. Today, what we're going to be doing is exploring how to make a scatter plot. Kind of cool. And so I have a problem here. I just kind of snapped it out of our book. It's example number 2, swimming speeds. It says the table below shows the in length in centimeters and swimming speeds in centimeters per second of 6 fish. And there's 2 things that they are asking us to do. Number 1, make a scatter plot of the data. And number 2, describe the correlation. Now, this might be a little tricky because I don't have graph paper, but I wanted to kind of sketch it out with you so you can kind of see what we're doing here. Okay, so on my x-axis, I would do length. Okay, and I would do the length. Again, that's in centimeters. Okay, so length, and then I would put parentheses cm for centimeters. Wow, that's pretty terrible parentheses, but okay, cool. And then on the other side, I would have the speed along my x-axis. So S, P, E, E, D. Now, again, not super neat because I'm doing this one-line pen. That's not great. Now, as I graph this, I'm looking at my length, and it looks like my data, I have a data that's from 19.2 all the way up to 37.8 is my length. So I would probably make these in lengths of 10. So again, that would be my origin, 0, 0. So I would have 10 centimeters. I would then do a 20. I would do a 30, and I would do a 40. Okay, I don't need to go higher than 40 for this because my data doesn't go up that high. Then going up my y-axis, it looks like I have 47, so like near 50, 88, 100, 131, and 48. So I probably should start at 0, and then I could do maybe like by 50s, probably makes sense. The speed 50 centimeters per second. Then I could do 100 centimeters per second. And then I could probably go up here to 150 centimeters per second. And that's probably going to get me pretty good. Okay, now I simply take my information and like I'll do my first one here, the pike. So that would be 37.8 and 148. So I have 37, close to 40-ish. And again, like that would be 35. So it'd be somewhere in here. And I would go up pretty close to my 150 mark. I'm going to put my dot there. Okay. And that would be pike. My next fish, close to 20, and looks like that would be 47. So a little bit under 50. Put it there. Black bass, 21 and 88. So again, right around 20 and 88. That's going to go right about here. 26 and 131 would go right about here. And next one would be 26 and 100. So what can we determine? 1, I graphed it. 2, I have a positive correlation. How about that? Now, I'd like you to work on this today.